Hi, my name's Tom Olafson. I'm an estate planning attorney and I serve clients in the Chicago area. Thank you for coming to my website. I have something very special that I'd like to give you, but first let me tell you a little bit about my practice. During probate court, the judge only knows what someone comes into court to tell him. The judge can't go to your house and find out what's going on in your life. The judge can't visit the bank and get information directly from the bank. The judge has eyes and ears out in the community, and we call that person an executor. You name your executor in your will, and the executor's job, the primary job, their first responsibility is to go hire a lawyer. And usually that's what they do. They hire a lawyer and let the lawyer do all the work. But your family members, you don't usually want the family members calling the lawyer directly all the time because it'll run up the bills too high. If everybody who's going to inherit something or has a minor question calls the lawyer each time, the bills get out of control. So it's better to have the family members call the executor, who's usually a family member or someone like that, and let them write all the questions down and ask the lawyer all the questions at once. And ask after the executor has heard the question one or two times, they can answer the question themselves. This sort of buffers, puts a layer between the family and the lawyer, which keeps the bills down and also drives the executor crazy. The executor isn't someone who wants the job. It's not an honor to be the executor. It's more of a pain in the neck. No one I know who's ever been an executor will take the job again. So it's not something that you have to feel you have to name all of your children that they all get to be executor or two of them work together. It's really not a fun job. It's just something that has to be done. That's why most of them just hire a lawyer and step out of it. But the executor is the judge's eyes and ears, the sort of a reporter that goes out and finds out things and brings back information to the judge, usually through the attorney, but they're often called on by the judge to answer questions. Now what I'd like you to do is go to my website and find out how you can get a free review of your existing trust documents to see if they come up to our standards. I can also arrange for you to get free access to 20 videos that answer your most often asked questions. They give you some guidance as to what you should be looking for. Now, if you don't have existing trust documents or you have a particular question that's been bothering you, you're welcome to call my phone number, which is 773-905-1193, and we'll set up a complimentary consultation.